and welcome. In this series, I'm making beats in 20 trending music styles, learning everything from sketch as I go. No experience, no deep knowledge, just creativity and experimentation. Today, we are making a drum and bass beat using this super minimal setup. Pocket Operator Tonic for drums and Pocket Operator Sub for bass. Before we start, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to channel and enjoy! Some helpful advice about drum and bass from ChatGPT. Super fast BPM, punchy breakbeats drums, bassline is critical, sub-bass with movement, LFO modulation, and more and more and more. Let's start with drums. Set BPM to 180 for a high energy feel. Thin kick sound. This is nice. Set pattern and play. Great start. Thin snare and hi-hats. Let's hear the full pattern. Add accents. So cool feature in the Pocket Operator Tonic for add movements and make music more groovy. Basic patterns for drums ready, and I will already can use punch-in FX like this. So nice. In drum and bass, the bassline drives the entry track. Let's find a deep sub-bass on the PO sub. Wow, this sound is amazing. Now let's try it together with drums. I love how it's played live. I add some drum variation to keep the groove dynamic. Now it's time for live performance. Let me know about the final result in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to support the channel. See you in the next video. Bye!